So we're moving on to lesson 11, and our objective is down here. It says, use place value understanding to fluently add multi-digit whole numbers using the standard addition algorithm and apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. Whoa, that is a lot, okay? So basically we're going to use what we know about place value, okay? That when we have, wait. Close it, Lily. Andres, close it so you're not tempted. Jenny, stop writing whatever you're writing. Just put it away. Okay, I will micromanage you if I have to, but I would prefer not to. I would prefer to just keep going. Don't you agree? Yeah. All right, great. So we're going to use what we know about place value, knowing that if we have more than 9 in a place value, we've got to circle it, like bundle it, right? Move it over, that sort of thing, in order to add. And then I don't know how much you guys have worked with tape diagrams, but we're going to use those a lot as well to kind of show that this plus this equals the whole, okay? Which will kind of help us with fractions in the future and stuff too, okay? And then the standard algorithm is what you see right here, okay? So you guys may have done that before with like smaller numbers like this, you know? That might be familiar to you. But yeah, we're going to kind of increase our numbers all the way up to hundred thousands, maybe even millions. So we're going to have really, really big numbers, okay? But it's exciting. It's fun, okay? So, all right, we're going to get started. We've been doing that a lot lately, so I am going to...
What is that?
Hold on. Let's see. Wow, okay. We're hopping right into it. Actually, we're gonna come back to that. Okay? All right. So, right now, I still want you to just have a closed whiteboard. You're just gonna look up here, okay? So make sure that you're focusing. Avery? Yes. Is it okay if I just gave it to you? Want to keep going? Okay. All right. Cool. So you're just looking up here. I'm going to show you what we're talking about, okay? So first I'm going to show you what this looks like on a tape diagram, okay? And then I'm going to kind of go back and forth between the standard algorithm and the place value chart, okay? Nora, can it wait till after this problem? Is that okay? Okay. Great. Tape diagram means that one part, okay, and another part equals a whole, okay? Do you guys... Is that familiar to you at all?
Yeah.
Part, whole, that kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So one part of this, okay, is 3,134. And the other part of it is 2,493. Okay? Which means that together, these guys are going to equal a whole, right? So part, whole, they're going to come together. And we're going to find out what the answer is in just a second, okay? So then next I'm going to go between kind of the place value chart and the standard algorithm so you can see how they are similar. Okay? So I'm going to start by putting my first number in the place value chart. So 3,134. Or in other words, 3,100, 3 tens, 4 ones. Okay? Then I'll put my second number in there. So 2 thousands, 4 hundreds, 9 tens, 3 ones. Okay, everybody good so far? Maybe?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So then, I actually, let me see. I'm sorry. I wanted to do this with discs, and I forgot. So give me just 1 second. Thank you for your patience. You guys are the best. All right. So 3 thousands, 100, 3 tens, 4 ones. Okay, and then 2. 9. Okay, great. Thank you for your patience. So, still the same number, right? But I'm just doing it with discs instead, okay? So then I'm going to kind of separate them out a little bit. And I'm going to start from the very right side, okay? What side am I going to start on?
The very right side.
Good, the very right side. Everybody point this way. Yes, we're going to start on this side, okay? Because you'll see how it connects to the standard algorithm in just a second, okay? So here I have 4 plus 3, okay? 4 plus 3, which is going to give me 7. And I'm just going to write the digit, okay? Here I have 3 plus 9, okay, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can I have 2 digits in a place value? No, right? So I've got to bundle in groups of 10, okay? So it's going to be a little tricky because they're far away. But 9 plus 1, okay, gives me 10. So that 10 is donezo, and it moves over here and becomes 100. Is that familiar to you?
Yes.
Okay, good. So instead of 12, and I now have 2 left, so I have 2 10s, okay? Then over here I have 2 plus 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then in my thousands place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5,627 when I do it on the place value chart. Okay? Owen, can I wait till after this? Okay. So then on the place value chart, okay, I have 4 plus 3, okay, which is exactly what I did right here, right? 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. Do you guys see how they're the same?
Yes.
And I'm starting on the right side over here. I'm starting on the right side over here, right? You guys see that?
Yeah.
You guys awake?
Yes.
Okay, pick your heads up so I know.
I see like big sister.
I'm sorry. All right, cool. Great. So then I have 3 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So the 2 comes down, the 1 carries over, right? So that's what we did right here when we bundled. So the 2 stays in the 10s, and that 1, quote unquote, that 1 isn't a 1, right? But it's a group of 10. So 10 10s, right? That group of 10 10s has to bundle and move over to the hundreds, which is what happened right here, okay? So everybody understand why we bring the 1 over?
Yes.
Okay, great. So then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 gives me 6, and then 3 plus 2 gives me 5. Okay, did I get the same answer?
Yes.
Look again, did I get the same answer?
Yes.
Who's saying no? Yes, I did. 5,627. 5,627, okay? So that means we're in good shape, okay? Which means that this whole, going back to our tape diagram, equals what? Go.
5,627.
Great, let's try it again as a class. So the whole is what? Go.
5,627.
Awesome. All right, cool. Any questions about what I just did? Okay, you ready to try it? Yes. Okay, great. Let's start with doing the place value chart. Okay, so go to the place value chart side of your whiteboard. Nora and Owen, you may both go if you still need to go. Okay. Austin, you can go when Nora gets back.
You said the place value chart one? Yes.
Place value chart side of your whiteboard.
This is what normally
Right over there, there's more right there, there's more over there, there's more over there. So, kind of look all the way around. Okay, so maybe draw on your place value chart, draw like 2 lines. Okay.
divide it into thirds.
Yeah, cut it into thirds. Good idea. Yeah. And then go ahead and put your first number in there. We're gonna do discs. Okay. So I see 40,762, which means that that's 4 10s, 0 thousands, 700s, 6 10s, and 2 1s. Alright, guys with me so far? No. Oh, okay. Jenny, put your mask up. Send back there. Okay, 1 once you got that first number in there, put the second number. So I see 3 10,000s, 0 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens, 3 ones. Maybe a couple more seconds, and we're gonna move on. All right, cool. So we're just gonna focus on the place value chart for right now, okay? So I want you, we're gonna kind of do it together. So like as I'm doing it, I want you to do it on your whiteboard, okay? Make sense? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So starting in the ones place, okay? We've got 2 plus 3, which gives us what?
5.
5. Good. Do I need to bundle anything?
No.
No. Okay. All right. And then I've got 6 plus 7, which gives me what? Don't think about it. Or don't think about it. Think about it. Don't say it. Okay. Think about it. Don't say it. 6 plus 7. If you need to count the physical dots, you can. 6 plus 7. Ready? Go.
13.
13. Can I have 2 digits in a place value?
Oh,
No. So circle that group of 10. Okay. Cross it out. It's donezo. Where does it go?
In the hundreds.
The hundreds. Good. As 10 hundreds?
No.
No. Well, how many, Daphne?
1.
1. Okay. Good. 100. So we add 1 to our hundreds place. Okay. Andres, gonna wait till after this? Okay. Just wait, and then you can, once we're done with this, you can go. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. So that left us with how many in our tens place?
3.
3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Right. I'm gonna change that to a 3. Okay. And then over here I have now 8 plus 4. Okay. 8 plus 4. Think about it. Think about it. 8 plus 4. Go.
12.
12. Good. Okay. Can I have 2 digits in the place value?
No.
Heck no. I gotta circle those. There's a group of 10. Cross it out. Changes into 1,000. Okay, so 10 hundreds equals 1,000. And that leaves us with how many in the hundreds place?
1.
2. 2. Okay, make sure you're being careful with your circling and stuff like that so you don't lose track. But yeah, I see 1, 2. Okay, so 200. How many thousands do I have? 1. And then we have 4 plus 3, which equals what? Go. 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Raise your hand if you got 71,235. Since we were doing it together, you should all be raising your hand. 71,235. Cool. All right. Awesome. So, looking at the standard algorithm, try and make sure you see how they connect. Okay. So, can you go to your blank side of your whiteboard and write this for me? Write the standard algorithm. Sure. Avery?
Can I get a tissue for it?
Oh, yeah, you don't have to ask. I got it.
It's
Standard algorithm. That's what it's called. Standard algorithm. Yes, definitely. Okay, so write this on your board. Write this on your board.
This is what? The marker doesn't break.
Okay, just ignore it for right now, and then later when you're working on your homework, then you can grab a Clorox wipe and it'll come off. Okay? Just ignore it for right now. Cool. And right now, I need you to make sure that each of your place values are lined up neatly. Okay? Do you think you'll get the same answer if they're all out of whack? No, you'll get a different answer if you're not lined up. Okay? Give me a thumbs up when you're ready to move on. Thumbs up when you're ready to move on. Writing it down on your whiteboard. Part of the circle. All right, cool. We're gonna get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. All right, here we go. So, you are going to follow along on your whiteboard, okay? As I'm doing it up here. Sound good?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So 2 plus 3 gives me what? Go.
5.
5. Write your 5. Okay. 6 plus 7 gives me what? Go. 13. So the 3 comes down. Where does that 1 go?
Above the 7.
Good. Carry it over above the 7, right? But that's not really a 1. It's how many? It's 10 tens, right? So it becomes 100. Okay. 700 plus 1 gives me 800. What's 8 plus 4? Go.
12.
12. Carry the 1 over. And then pause. You good so far?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 1 plus 0 plus 0, go.
1.
1.
Wait.
1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 3, go. 7. Okay. Cool. Raise your hand if you got 71,235.
We should have all have.
We should.
And then did that.
Kendall, where's yours? Okay. So what were you doing while we were doing the problem together? I don't think it's funny, so I wouldn't be laughing or smiling right now. You didn't follow directions, so that's something we should pay attention to, okay? You don't need to write it right now, but when we do problems together in the future, you need to write it down, okay? Jenny, you good? Okay. Any questions? No. All right. So then if we look at the tape diagram, okay, I would say that 40,762 as one of my parts, okay, and 30,473 as my other part equals my whole, which was what?
71,235.
Okay. I'm very proud of the back of the class for contributing. Thank you. Okay. So yes, I have part, and then whole. You will have to know how to do this on your homework, especially coming up next week too. We're going to be doing a lot of this. Okay. We're going to kind of ditch the place value chart later and just kind of focus on standard algorithm and the tape diagram. Okay. So everybody do me a favor. Point at this and say standard algorithm.
Standard algorithm.
Good. I didn't hear everybody that time. Point at it and say standard algorithm.
Standard algorithm.
There it is. Point at this and say tape diagram.
Tape diagram.
Good. You are going to come to know and love tape diagrams so well. We use them a lot. Okay. Why are we talking over me? Good. All right. Cool. I think we are good to move on. We're going to do something a little different. I'm going to give you a problem set, okay? The problem set is not your homework, but I'm going to give you the problem set to work on for about we're going to do like 10 minutes, okay? You're going to finish the problem set in about 10 minutes, and then you'll get some time to work on your homework, okay? Dylan, you may go.